Students, I am going to solve the question number 15 of exercise 22A. But all the question number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 are same. So what we learn in this chapter, we learn the ratio of any angle. Means angle can be find out with the help of ratios of given right angle triangle. Okay. Ratios means I am talking about the sides of the right angle triangle. Okay. Here question is cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Because the question was 5 cot theta is equal to 12. So we can write it as a cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. This 5 will come here into the denominator. And for solving the question, I told you must know all the sides. So after this, first you draw a figure, right angle triangle. Okay. Here angle is theta. Give the name theta here to C. Okay. Then what is the first point? If the ratio is given, first draw a right angle triangle. Okay. Mention the angle which is given here. Here angle is theta. So suppose this is your theta in right angle triangle. Cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. What is the formula of cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular? So I taught you in the previous lecture this one. These 3 points if you are keeping in your mind, so question will be easier to solve. You must have right angle triangle. Length of all the sides must be known. If any side is unknown, you can find with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So here cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5 is given. What is the first number 1 we will draw the right angle triangle. Okay. Then cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. We will identify the perpendicular. So perpendicular can be identified with the help of angle. Angle is theta. Its opposite side will be perpendicular. Means I am talking about AB. AB will be the perpendicular. BC will be the base. And opposite to 90 degree it will be the hypotenuse. So in this question this AC was unknown. So what we are doing, we are going to find out the AC. For finding out the AC, Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, AC square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square, AC square is equal to 144 plus 25, AC square is equal to 169, AC is equal to plus minus 13. But because it is a side, so it cannot be minus. So AC is equal to 13. Okay. So what we have to do in this question, we have to find out the value of cosec theta plus sec theta. Again I am telling you this point is very important. You first draw the right angle triangle and you mention the sides which is given in this question. 12 and 5 is given. So we have written here 12 and 5. Identify the perpendicular with the help of which angle you have to find out. Here we have to find out the angle theta. So perpendicular will be AB and BC will be the base. And AC will be hypotenuse. Okay. So AC was not given here. We are find out AC with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Then we have to find out the cosec theta plus sec theta. Again this is very important. Cosec theta plus sec theta. Cosec theta is also a ratio. Sec theta is also a ratio. So what I am saying, keep on saying that all the side must be known. Okay. So cosec theta is equal to it is a opposite of sin theta. So what is the formula of sin theta? Sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So cosec theta is reciprocal to sin theta. So it will be h upon p. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So hypotenuse is 13 here C and this is 5. Sec theta is opposite of or reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base upon h. So sec theta will be h upon b. So is equal to 13 upon 12. Now put up these values here in this question and you can solve it and this is the answer. Question number 16, 17 and 18 and 19 are same. If you see here, I am giving you some hints. Question number 16, 10x is equal to 4 upon 3. Again if you see here, this is the ratio. Okay, two sides are given. So number 1, draw a right angle triangle. Write 4 and 3. Okay, sorry. Number 1, draw a right angle triangle. Number 2, mention the angle which you have to find out. Here angle is x. You mention here this is x. With the help of x, you will find AB is a perpendicular and BC is a base. AC is unknown. So first find out AC with the help of Pythagoras theorem and you can do the question. Okay. In question number 17, what is given? Cosec theta is equal to root 5. Consider it as a cosec theta is equal to root 5 upon 1. And cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So what you will do for solving the question? Again I am telling you, ratio will be given over there. You have to draw the right angle triangle. Then mention the angle which you have to find out. We have to find out here theta. Theta is here. Okay. Cosec theta is equal to h upon p. So this is a hypotenuse. This is root 5. And this is a perpendicular. BC is unknown. Find out BC. Okay. In the same way here, question number 18, same. And question number 19 is same. So what is important? Again I am telling you, important is when you are doing the question, first you have to draw a right angle triangle. Then number 2, mention the angle. As I taught you in this lecture, here you must have right angle triangle. Length of all the sides must be known. If any side is unknown, find the with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So okay, thank you. So this is the exercise 22A. Maximum question I have solved. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can query in your Google Classroom. Okay, in this Google Classroom that recently we have created. Okay, in that you can ask with the help of comment. Okay.